Here we have a concrete mixer, Readymix concrete mixer lorry. As you can see, a 1982 Leyland Bison lorry, as you can see here. So I'm going to read out the lorry. Leyland Bison road concrete mixer. This vehicle, joined by Ready Mixed Concrete South Coast Limited in January 1982, and it spent most of its working life in the Southampton area. The truck mixer unit has a drum capacity of 6 cubic meters, approximately 14 tons. This vehicle is now on display in the Roads and Marking exhibitions in Amberley Museum in near Arundel, West Sussex. As you can see here, this is the lorry. Registration of this lorry is PPM499X, as you can see here. How does the concrete get out of the lorry? Have you ever thought about this? Well, inside the drum there's a big spiral which is welded to the inside of the drums. When the drum rotates in one direction, the concrete stays in the drum, but when the drum rotates in the other direction, the spiral will lift the concrete along its length and carries the concrete up to discharge at the top of the drum. Simple and effective. So I'll show you around the lorry. Okay, and there you go. There's the driver's cab of the lorry, as you can see here. The driver had this truck, and it's a Ready Mixed lorry. Ready Mixed Concrete South Coast Limited, with a telephone number 0703 229 451, fleet number 60G16 RMC concrete mixer. This lorry was used as a concrete mixer over the years. It's Ready Mix, as you can see here. This truck was used, and I'll show you the other side of the lorry. So there's the cab of it, as you can tell here on this truck. Lorry registration PPM 499X. I'll read about the lorry. Leyland Bison Ready Mixed Concrete truck PPM 499X 1981. So the lorry was new in 1981. Road and bridge construction uses vast quantities of concrete. The earliest mobile concrete mixers were made around 1930, but it wasn't until the 1960s that they became commonplace. Ready Mixed Concrete Limited was the leading market trade, leading in the later 20th century, with a huge fleet of vehicles similar to this example. Based on the Leyland Bison six-wheeler chassis, the mixer truck unit was made by RMC themselves. The lorry engine drives hydraulic pump fitted to the front of the lorry to provide power to the mixing machine. The mixer concrete capacity is 26 cubic meters, weighing about 14 tons. This example was one of the last to feature the Leyland ergonomic cab, first produced in 1964, and has been a Leyland 700 horsepower diesel engine. The usual life of a ready mixed concrete lorry is about 10 years. This one operated in the Southampton area between 1982 until 1992. In 1994, RMC Engineers and Transport plc refurbished the lorry at its Washington workshops for display in the exhibition. It is a sole surviving example of its type. So there you go, a lorry. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you again soon. Thank you, and ta for the like. Thank you very much.